All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the top 5 tools a new technician should have, but you probably didn't think about. And none of these are going to be expensive, but they don't have the ooh factor of, impact guns, sockets, wrenches, that kind of stuff. This is just stuff that most guys won't even think about. So first off, belt tool. Either this one or the gear wrench. As a beginning technician, you're probably going to do a few belts. And a belt tool is pretty important. Not fancy, not expensive, not even that ooh, but essential depending on the brand you work on. Now, some brands, you don't need that. But a lot of brands, you really do need that sometimes. Next tool, panel clip tools. Again, not expensive, not glamorous, but something you're gonna need. Simple, doing a window motor on a car, you're gonna need to pop the door panel off. You're gonna need these. Now, I've got 2 versions, a Matco plastic. There's other sources for these. Now, this is a door skin something or other for aircrafts. I will try to link it in the description. This is probably the best panel tool on the planet. Because it's smooth, it doesn't mar anything, really great. I'll try to put it in the description. But again, nothing expensive, but stuff you don't think about. All right, next one is hose pliers. These little things. A set of these, the Harbor Freight set, I used for several years. They were decent. They're not great, but they're decent. Not expensive, but they got a little hook on the end, so you can hook onto a hose, twist it, and pop it off. Really good on intakes when you're doing tune-ups and you got to get vacuum lines off, that kind of stuff. Again, not real expensive, not real glamorous, but very useful. Quick disconnects. Again, nothing glamorous, but when you need to take a fuel line off to do that intake job, you got to have them. Now, you can go borrow them and all that. And again, there's specialty ones. If you work on certain brands, there's certain kinds you need, but you definitely want quick disconnect tools. Last one, but I got a bonus for you. Some sort of plastic rivet tool. You're going to be doing oil changes. You're going to be taking panels off. You go to do that belt, you got to take the inner fender liner out. You're gonna need these. Various styles, these happen to be my current favorite. Again, I'll try to link all this stuff in the description, but very useful. Now, my bonus tool is a knife. It can be a razor knife, it can be a cheapy freebie knife like this from Matco, Christmas, but you need a knife. Why? Because you're going to be opening a lot of boxes. So you're going to be cutting a lot of tape and taking your pocket screwdriver and ripping it kind of sucks. And I've actually broken a pocket screwdriver doing that. So get you a knife too. And I'm talking cheap. Don't be buying no, Kershaw knife, none of that stuff. Cheap knife. Don't need something fancy. My main one is just a razor knife that I put a new blade in every now and then. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. I use the Harbor Freight.